I'm here joined by Miss Akanksha. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Welcome to Healthcare Summit 2025. How does it feel?
It feels it's amazing. The effort they have put in. It's amazing. Plus, to come here and share the insights on the future of Ayurveda, I feel very obliged and honored.
How do you think this collaboration between the BRICS and Ayush is going to help?
I think in the future, I think Ayurveda is future of India, and of course, if a esteemed organization like BRICS takes Ayurveda within, I think it'll be very good.
And what do you feel about this initiative of this new study that people can do and become a doctor in Ayurveda?
I think it's amazing because we need more doctors, we need more people who wants to study Ayurveda and take Ayurveda very seriously, because you need practitioners. If there are no practitioners, how are we going to take Ayurveda in the future? It has to be through practitioners, and I'm grateful that my husband also happens to be a practitioner. He's a practicing Ayurvedic doctor, Dr. Paritosh, and he now heads Dhanvantri Pharmaceuticals, and which is amazing because his insights are very important. There's a business part of it, but also a doctor part of it, which he helps, and it's been I think it's the future again.
Since your husband himself is a doctor, and that too in Ayurveda, by any chance you or your husband or anyone in your family has undergone through Ayurvedic treatment ever?
Every single day we only consume Ayurvedic. See, I have recently given birth to a baby.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
congratulations.
thank you. And it's been 1 year, and you hear postpartum, that's true.
That's
true.
true.
Your cycle goes for a toss. It's like your world changes. And products like Sundari Sudha, like one of our products, and it's a patent medicine, and I use it regularly, and I've seen that change. So in our house we regularly practice Ayurveda. We only take Ayurvedic medicines, and see, right now I'm having Kanchadarak Vati, which is also an Ayurvedic medicine.
Yeah.
And it really helps you with the throat. So yes, regularly we are using Ayurveda, and I can see a lot of difference. I fall sick less because I'm not taking toxins. I'm not taking Comiflim, which might affect my kidney, which is, yeah. So I follow Ayurveda, and our family follows Ayurveda.
But tell me, Akanksha, as a woman and as a mother now,
Yeah.
with all the hormonal changes that you go through,
Yeah.
how are you maintaining the skin? Your skin looks clear, you don't have hyperpigmentation, which
Yeah,
is
yeah.
a major problem
Yeah,
these
yeah,
days.
yeah.
Not just women, men are also facing.
See, of course, skincare is important. Every ritual is important, and even taking the right food is important. Taking water, consuming the right amount of water.
So
per
which is
day.
more important, Korean skincare or Ayurvedic diet?
I think Ayurvedic diet. Skincare is on the top.
Ah.
Beauty comes from
Within.
within. And if your gut is right, if your brain is right, your hormones are right, you feel beautiful. You look beautiful.
So,
yeah.
speaking about this particular event, there has been multiple sessions. Who was your favorite speaker and why?
So I think definitely Acharya Manishji, because his was very, very natural, and the things that he have shown through his videos, it's amazing to see that I never thought of a cancer being treated by Ayurveda, so which was amazing. Then of course Pranji, he's been there. He's the whole soul person behind this event, and also Ashok Sharma ji. I really liked his point of view as well.
Since your husband himself is a doctor, that too in Ayurveda, I'm sure you know a lot about Ayurveda already.
Yeah.
But what is that one thing that you will take as a learning from this event?
Of course, how they talked about bringing BRICS together. They want BRICS to be one single unit, and then all the Ayurvedic people can sell their knowledge through BRICS. So this is one thing that I really like, that we all as companies should collaborate more, and then design something together that can shape the future.
All right. Thank you so much,
All right.
Akanksha.
Thank
It was
you.
lovely to have you. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
being a part of this event and for this lovely conversation.
Thank you.